hydrolyzed collagen tripeptide, grape skin extract, resveratrol, ceramide from Japanese rice, blood orange extract, Italy, melon extract, France, pomegranate extract, Spain, Satsuma orange extract, Japan, peach powder, rosehip extract. We select premium grain extracts, proved by clinical research and guaranteed by awards from all over the world. More than 36 extracts are included in Boom in order to deliver you essential benefits for nourishing your skin, hair, and nails, strong, beautiful, and healthy from the inside out. Boom present these nutrients in form of a powdered drink dietary supplement with unique soft aroma and excellent taste, sweet and sour like a nature fruit. Get ready to shine in every day. Boom, beauty from within.